Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw El Atomico Primo for Brawl Stars. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna start with drawing a curved line across for the top of his head. Right there. Same is gonna turn downwards on both sides. And a curved line downwards, and at the lower point I'm going to draw across a curved line all the way to the right, and above that line in the middle point I'm going to draw another curved line at that middle point right there. Turn it upwards at the sides, slightly inwards. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side. A curved line across at this top point right there, and curved line downwards inside of that at the side like that. And for the lower part of his mouth I'm gonna draw another curved line across at that point. Inside of the mouth I'm going to draw his teeth with a line downwards in the middle point and a line downwards on the left and right side. Now above the mouth I'm going to draw his nose with a V shape right there, curved line across at the top point, and above that at the side I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally up, semicircular turn in the middle point and turn it diagonally back down on the right side. At the side of the nose, I'm gonna draw his eye on the left with an oval shape right there. And I'm gonna thicken the top left corner of that oval shape right there. And at the outer corner, I'm gonna trace the same oval shape along the sides right there. I'm gonna mirror the whole thing for the right eye right there. Now above the eye, at the inner corner, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards on both the left and right. Extend that curved line downwards towards the top of his mouth at this lower point. Below the head, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards for his neck on the left and right. Turn it sideways to the outer corner. Curved line across for his shoulder and turn it downwards at the side. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side right there. Another curved line diagonally out below that and turn it back inwards at this lower point. A curved line across for his wristband and curved line down on both sides. Another curved line across for the lower part of the wristband. Curved line across for the finger, turn it downwards, diagonal curved line back out, a diagonal curved line to the right, sideways, and diagonal turn back up. Copy that same shape again for the other fingers on the left side right there, and at the side I'm going to draw a curved line back to the side of his wrist. Above the wristband on the left, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line right there and a line across to the right at that corner. Turn it diagonally down to the right, and I'm gonna copy the whole arm shape on the right side as well. And for the buckle of his belt, I'm gonna draw a circular shape in the middle point right here. And on the left side, I'm gonna trace the same circular line at the side right there. And inside of that, I'm gonna draw another smaller circular shape right there. And in the middle point, a smaller circle at that corner. Trace the same outline on the top left corner right there, and another one at this outer point. At the ending point, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line across to the inner curve line. Mirror that same shape on the right side right there, and I'm gonna copy that same shape in the middle point at this lower corner. At the side of the buckle, I'm gonna draw a line sideways, semicircle turn downwards and back in to the buckle. Inside of that, a circular shape at that corner, and I'm gonna copy the same thing on the right side right there. At the side of the buckle, at this upper point, I'm gonna draw a curved line across on the left and right, and another line at this lower point. Turn it upwards at the side. Another curved line across above at this corner, and at the lower point, another curved line across in the middle point, and turn it upwards at the side. Below the belt, I'm gonna draw a curved line across in between the legs. Turn it down, a curved line downwards off center for the inner line of the leg. Turn it diagonally inwards towards the knee point. Curved line downwards and slightly out, and turn it back inwards at this lower point. Semicircle turn to the left at the bottom of the boots. Diagonal curved line inwards and upwards at that corner. Diagonal turn back down on the right side right there. And at the outer corner of the boots, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards. A V shape at that corner to the right. Semicircle turn across to the inner line. I'm gonna trace the same line across at this lower point inside of the boots. Above the boots at this outer corner, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards. I'm gonna copy the whole thing for the right leg. And finally, I'm gonna draw a thick line along the outer edges. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.